Now we will study the next point in this topic, oscillations, that is angular SHM and its differential equation. To study this angular SHM, we will consider a metallic disc which is attached centrally by a thin wire, which may be metallic wire or nylon wire, which is hanging from a rigid support. And when this metallic disc is twisted about an axis along the wire, then this disc performs a rotational motion which is partly in clockwise sense and partly in anti-clockwise sense. And this rotational motion which is partly clockwise and partly anti-clockwise, this motion is called as angular SHM. So for this angular SHM or motion of this metallic disc, which governs this motion is the restoring torque, and value of this restoring torque which is acting on this metallic disc is directly proportional to magnitude of angular displacement of this disc. That means restoring torque, its magnitude is directly proportional to angular displacement theta, and this restoring torque and angular displacement are opposite in direction. That means if torque is in clockwise sense, displacement will be in anti-clockwise sense. So restoring torque is proportional to minus theta. Tau and theta are proportional to each other, and negative sign indicates that this torque and angular displacement are oppositely directed. So from this equation we can also write this restoring torque tau is equal to minus c into theta, where theta is the angular displacement and c is the proportionality constant, which is called as restoring torque per unit angular displacement. So if we consider r is the moment of inertia of the body performing angular SHM, then if theta is angular displacement, value of angular velocity is d theta by dt, and angular acceleration is d2 theta by dt square. So in rotational dynamics we have also studied that this value of torque is equal to I into alpha. Torque is equal to I into alpha, where I is the moment of inertia and alpha is angular acceleration. That means value of this torque is minus c into theta, and value of this torque is also I into alpha. So if we compare these two equations, we can write I into alpha is equal to minus c into theta. It means that value, this angular SHM is governed by this equation. Tau is equal to minus c into theta, that is, it is governed by the value of restoring torque acting on the body performing angular SHM. If theta is angular displacement, value of angular acceleration alpha is d2 theta by dt square. That means I into alpha is d2 theta by dt square is equal to minus c into theta, or I into d2 theta by dt square plus c into theta is equal to 0. This equation is called differential equation of differential equation of angular SHM. जे angular SHM चं इक्वेशन काय, तर tau is equal to minus c into theta. C is restoring torque per unit angular displacement, which is the proportionality constant, and theta is angular displacement. But we know value of torque is I into alpha. So if we compare these two equations, I alpha is equal to minus c theta, and value of alpha is d2 theta by dt square, and hence I into d2 theta by dt square is equal to minus c into theta. That means I into d2 theta by dt square plus c into theta is equal to 0. This equation is called the differential equation of angular SHM. But from this equation we can also write the value of alpha is equal to I alpha is equal to minus c theta, that is alpha is equal to minus c upon I into theta, and in this equation c is constant, I is moment of inertia is also constant. That means angular acceleration is equal to minus constant into theta. याचा अर्थ काय, तर angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement theta, आणि negative sign indicates that this alpha and theta are oppositely directed. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, तर या अँग्युलर SHM मध्ये torque directly proportional to theta, torque and theta are oppositely directed, which is represented by negative sign. Similarly, angular acceleration चं पण तसंच असतं. angular acceleration alpha directly proportional to theta आणि negative sign indicates alpha and theta are oppositely directed. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, तर angular SHM मध्ये restoring torque किंवा angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement and they are opposite in direction. Angular SHM is defined as the oscillatory motion in which restoring torque or angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement and they are oppositely directed. Okay, then period of this angular SHM is given by t is equal to 2 pi divided by omega, and value of this omega is square root of angular acceleration per unit angular displacement. या पिरियड ऑफ अँग्युलर SHM ची किंमत 2 पाय अपॉन ओमेगा एवढी असते, आणि ओमेगाची किंमत ही अँग्युलर ॲक्सिलरेशन पर युनिट अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट एवढी असते. म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पिरियड ऑफ अँग्युलर SHM इज 2 पाय डिवाइड बाय स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ अँग्युलर ॲक्सिलरेशन पर युनिट अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके.